everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap characters in video using Wan AI. It's completely free, super easy, and all from your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser like this, and then you can use Chrome or anything that you like. Then just search for Wan AI and go to their official website. This one, just tap on it. And then once you're there, just log in using your Google account. But make sure if you are using your phone, make sure to turn on desktop mode in your browser. That way all the features will appear properly just like on PC. You can activate desktop mode by tap on tools, by tap on three dots icon at the top right corner of your browser, and then just search and then just checklist desktop sites, this one. After that, just try log in using your Google account by tap on try now like this. Like this. And here's a cool thing, Wan AI will give you 10 free credits every day, which you can use to try out their premium feature for free. And then now to start swapping your character, just tap on avatar menu, this one. Just tap on it. And then next just tap on here and then choose character swap like this. And then just upload your video that you want to edit. After that, just upload the photo or image of the character or person that you want to replace it with. And then you can select your 5-second clips that you want. After that, just click on confirm. And then let's upload the character image that you want to use. Like this. And then now you can choose to generate with or without credits. As you can see, the generate button needs 0 credits for if you want to generate for free. But if you choose these options, it might take a bit longer to process. But if you use your daily credits, the generations will be much faster. But in this tutorial, I will just generate without credit since my account hasn't enough credit. And okay, like this, after it's done, just take a look at the result. Let's play the video.
坐在马上也是第一次跟子健哥对戏嘛，他一来就叫我叔，我觉得这。
Like this, the old character is completely replaced by the new one with, I think it has a smooth natural movement and realistic lip syncing. It looks super clean and professional and all done automatically by AI and free. And okay, that's how you can easily swap characters in any video using Wan AI. No editing skills, no paid apps, and all from your phone. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!